Best Portable Air Conditioners. At number 5 in our list, the LG LP0817WSR. The LG LP0817WSR is small and compact portable air conditioner with a sleek, contemporary design, suitable for rooms up to 150 square feet. The LG LP0817WSR includes auto evaporation system with the programmable 24-hour on/off timer. This allows continuous use of the unit in temperature control even when you're not present in the room. At number 4 in our list, the Windray RC14MX. The Windray RC14MX portable air conditioner features a unique and modern design with 14,000 BTUs cooling and dual hose operation. It is also equipped with eco-friendly CFC-free refrigerant with lead-free compliant components to correspond its friendliness to the natural surroundings of your house as well as posing no threat whatsoever to the ozone layer. The Whynter also has patented auto drain function with 3 operational modes. At number 3 in our list, the BLACK+DECKER Pact 10WT. For staying cool in the long, hot summer months, the BLACK+DECKER Pact 10WT portable air conditioner gets the job done. This BLACK+DECKER unit has an impressive cooling efficiency and effectiveness for spaces of approximately 150 square feet up to 250 square feet. Other notable features include programmable electronic controls, 24-hour on/off timer, slide-out filter, easy mobility, LED digital display and remote control. At number 2 in our list, the Honeywell MN10CESWW. Get the relief from the heat with the Honeywell MN10CESWW portable air conditioner. This great working, efficient air conditioner with his powered cooling capacity it's perfect for cooling areas in your home or office up to 350 square feet. This portable air conditioner features an auto evaporation system, multiple operating modes, energy-saving 24-hour timer, digital LCD display, modern and compact design and full-function remote control. It is great air conditioner for the price. And on the top spot in our list, the Windray RC14S. The Windray RC14S portable air conditioner is a top-rated and best portable air conditioner. This air conditioner features with the friendly CFC-free green refrigerant and RoHS compliant components that is free of lead. This means that the Whynter air conditioner is a nature-friendly appliance that fits for the global cause of natural preservation. The unit itself is designed to be equipped with the advanced self-evaporating technology. It is also in possession of a dual hose operation system that provides it with fast cooling capabilities up to 500 square feet space. For more information, visit www.zoomranker.com.